Hello dear children, I hope you all are fine and staying healthy at your home. I hope you have enjoyed your vacation too. So student, it's been very long. We have not read anything in your English lesson, either in your grammar book or in your reader book. So today we are going to study one of your reader lesson, that is the special prize. We have taken the special prize to be covered in this lesson, and this lesson is written by Anand Dev Sharma. This lesson is written by Anand Dev Sharma. So student, this lesson, the special prize, is a story. It is a story about a boy whose name is Tapan. Tapan is known to be very mischievous boy in the school. He is known to be the naughtiest boy in the school, and he often gets beatings by his headmaster. He is known to be a very bad boy in the school, but at the end of the story you will come to know that Tapan, who was the naughtiest boy in the school, got best student award, or he has got the award for the best character. So there is a twist in the story. So let us read the lesson to find out what is the twist in the story. Now student, let us read the lesson. Read the story of a bad boy who always got punished but received the best character award in the school. What a naughty boy! He deserved to be thrashed. Send for him, Mohan. Hey Mohan! The headmaster shouted for the chowkidar. Mohan guessed from the voice that the headmaster was angry. He rushed in and asked worriedly, Yes sir, hurry and get Tapan of class 5, the headmaster ordered. Now there was a complaint against Tapan, that Tapan के अगेंस्ट किसी ने कंप्लेन की थी, and the headmaster was again very angry at Tapan. He called, sent for means called Mohan. Mohan was the chowkidar of the school. He called Mohan to call Tapan in the office. Let me introduce you to Tapan, the second son of Ratan, a clerk in Padyumini village. He is quite good in studies, but both at home and outside he is always getting into the troubles. It must be admitted that he is never the first to pick up a quarrel, but if somebody offended him, he gives as good as he gets. He is the leader of his age group and is always ready to take up the cuddles on their behalf. He is the popular and respected by his companions. Although thin, Tapan is strong. Now here the author or the writer is giving the description about the Tapan. Tapan, as you know, he studies in class 5. He is the second son of Ratan. His father name is Ratan and he is a clerk in Padyumini village. So Tapan is very good in studies. He is very good at studies, but at home and outside वो हमेशा ही ट्रबल्स में फंस जाता है. बट इट मस्ट बी एडमिटेड दैट कि तपन कोई भी झगड़ा पहले स्टार्ट नहीं करता है, बट व्हेन समबडी ट्रबल्स हिम ही गिव्स एज गुड एज ही गेट्स. दैट मीन्स वो जैसे उसको परेशान किया जाता है वैसे ही वो लोगों को परेशान करता है. सो ही इज़ अ लीडर इन हिज एज ग्रुप एंड ही इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर इन हिज कंपेनियन. Although he is very thin, but Tapan is very strong. Tapan had gone to another school earlier, but now he is studying at Jananpet High School. A mile and a half away from his village, he had only been at Jananpet for a short time, and there was already a complaint against him. So Tapan पहले किसी और स्कूल में पढ़ता था. He has been studying in another school, but for this year this Tapan is studying in this school, and the name of the school is Jananpet High School. So it has just been a short time the Tapan has been admitted here. There are various complaints of Tapan. Haren, the village shopkeeper, had complained to the headmaster that Tapan and a number of other boys had thrown stones at his shop the previous evening. Tapan had been the ringleader. Now what happens? Complaint किसकी आई थी? Complaint आई थी एक shopkeeper की, that was residing in the village, and the shopkeeper complained that Tapan and his friend threw stones at his shop the previous evening. Tapan came with the chowkidar, and after looking timidly at the headmaster, stood with his head lowered, swinging his cane. The headmaster demanded, "You are Tapan, aren't you?" Yes, sir, Tapan replied politely. Do you know this gentleman? The headmaster asked, pointing to the shopkeeper. Yes, sir, he lives in our village. Well, is it true that last evening you and your friends threw stone at his shop? Yes, sir, it is true that I threw stone at his shop with Ratan and other. Why did you do that? You rascal, answer me, the headmaster thundered. Now what happened? Tapan अभी हेडमास्टर के ऑफिस में आ जाता है एंड हेडमास्टर वॉज वेरी एंग्री विद हिम. हेडमास्टर वॉज वेरी एंग्री विद हिम एंड ही सेड, यू आर तपन, आरंट यू तपन, तुम तपन ही हो ना? ही सेड, येस सर, आई एम तपन ओनली. सेड, डू यू नो दिस मैन? तपन सेड, येस सर, आई नो दिस मैन. he resides in our village only. And the headmaster said, have you thrown the stones at his shop? Tapan replied politely, yes sir, I threw stones at his shop with Ratan and others. And the headmaster asked again, why did you throw the stones at his shop? Sir, this man cheats. He charges higher prices and gives less. He gives good in a kind of a paper bag which is padded at the bottom. The day before yesterday, we bought a kilo of dal from him. When we weighed the content at home, it turned out to be 800 grams. Everyone in the village knows about it. When I asked him about it yesterday, he abused me and chased me out of his shop. That is why the other boys and I threw stones at his shop. Now what happened? Now Tapan अब real reason बताता है कि what happened. He said कि sir, this shopkeeper in our village, he is a cheater. ये लोगों को cheat करता है. ये हमें पैसे, ये हमसे मनी ले लेता है पूरी और हमें क्वांटिटी दे देता है उससे कम. yesterday the day before तपन said कि हम इससे 1 किलो दाल लेकर आए and when we weighed at home it turned out to be 800 grams only. So 200 ग्राम्स की इसने क्या की, उलट पलट कर दी. एंड एवरी वन इन द विलेज नोज अबाउट इट. एंड तपन सेट, जब मैं उससे ये पूछने के लिए इसकी शॉप पे गया, ही अब्यूज्ड मी एंड ही थ्रू मी आउट ऑफ हिज शॉप. द हेड मास्टर लुक्ड एट द शॉपकीपर, हिज फेस वॉज क्रिम्सन. तो हेड मास्टर ने शॉपकीपर की तरफ देखा एंड शॉपकीपर का फेस क्रिम्सन मीन्स डार्क रेड हो गया, आउट ऑफ शेम. बिकॉज ऑफ शेम उसका मुंह लाल हो गया. द हेड मास्टर थॉट फॉर सम टाइम. हेड मास्टर ने थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचा. देन टर्निंग टू तपन ही सेड, इवन सो व्हाट डू यू डिड वॉज नॉट राइट. फिर भी कहते हैं कि हेड मास्टर ने बोला कि चलो जो भी है, पर फिर भी तुमने जो किया वो ठीक नहीं था. If the shopkeeper is dishonest, it is the government or the village panchayat to take up this matter. It is none of your business. Hold your hand. Tapan received 5 strokes of the cane. When he returned to his classmate looked at him and sniggered. Now, headmaster कहता है that was none of your business. अगर ऐसी कोई बात थी तो गवर्नमेंट या गांव की जो पंचायत होती है इस मैटर को देख सकती थी. It was not none of your business. तो हेडमास्टर ने व्हाट द हेडमास्टर डिड, ही गेव 5 स्ट्रोक्स ऑफ केन. केन मीन्स क्या होती है, स्टिक, छड़ी, जिससे उसने तपन को 5 स्ट्रोक्स दिए. एंड तपन रिटर्न टू द क्लास, हिज क्लासमेट लुक्ड एट हिम एंड स्निगर्ड मीन्स दे लाफ्ड एट हिम. There was another incident in few days later. It concerned a fierce ox which was troubling the locality. It had got several people. If anyone approached it with a stick, it would charge at them. Everyone was terrified of it. Now what happened? अभी थोड़े दिनों में एक और इंसिडेंट हो गया. And incident was about a fierce ox who was troubling the locality. और ये जो ऑक्स था बहुत सारे लोगों को नुकसान पहुंचा चुका था. गोड मीन्स इट हैड हर्टेड मैनी पीपल. एंड इफ एनीवन अप्रोच द ऑक्स विद अ स्टिक, इट वुड चार्ज एट देम. चार्ज एट देम मीन्स वो उनके पीछे पड़ जाता था. एंड एवरी वन वॉज टेरिफाइड ऑफ इट. The effrontery of the animal aroused Tapan's spirits. During the school break, he bought a stave and a rope and slowly approached the ox. Now what happened? अब तपन ने उसको ऑक्स को सीधा करने की बात सोची. स्कूल ब्रेक के टाइम तपन एक स्टेव मीन्स अ थिक स्टिक एंड अ रोप वो लेकर कहाँ पहुँच गया, ox के पास. Waiting for the right moment, he jumped onto its back and put the rope in its mouth as if bridling a horse. The ox was taken by surprise, but the moment it felt weight on its back, it started stamping and bucking. Now what happened? वो अपना rope और stick को लेकर किसके ऊपर तपन ने ऑक्स के ऊपर जंप कर दिया और एकदम ऑक्स क्या हो गया, सरप्राइज हो गया. जैसे ही उसको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि उसके ऊपर कोई बैठा है, इट स्टार्टेड रनिंग, इट स्टार्टेड जंपिंग एंड इट स्टार्टेड रनिंग. मीनवाइल द स्कूल ब्रेक गॉट ओवर, क्लास हैड रिज्यूम्ड बट तपन वॉज बिजी टेमिंग द ऑक्स. कहते कि इतने में क्या हो गया, ब्रेक ओवर हो गया एंड एवरीबडी वेंट इनसाइड द क्लास एक्सेप्ट तपन. तपन वॉज बिजी इन टेमिंग द ऑक्स. He managed to keep himself on the back of the tossing, bucking bronze, holding the rope firmly. The ox crashed into the school compound, then into the room of class 7. Now what happened? तपन तो उस ऑक्स के ऊपर बैठा हुआ था और वो ऑक्स भागता भागता पहले स्कूल कंपाउंड में आ गया. Then it came into class 7. The ox The teacher and the student were frightened and scattered in all directions, shoving each other and pushing their way out of the classroom. अभी जैसे ही ऑक्स क्लासरूम में एंटर हुआ तो सभी जो टीचर्स एंड द स्टूडेंट्स दे स्टार्टेड पुशिंग ईच अदर एंड दे स्टार्टेड गेटिंग आउट ऑफ द क्लास. In the rush, many of them stumbled and fell. The teacher, Rajni Saharia, managed to get out of the room and escaped unhurt. So while coming out of the class, many students got injured and their class teacher Rajni, she was the only one who did not get any hurt. Glass pane were broken by the horns of the wildly prancing animals. Finally, bellowing desperately, the dazed ox ran into the field. It then ran far away from the school without a backward glance. Now, after running in the class 7, and the ox straight away went to the fields. It straight away ran into the fields without looking back at the school. So there was another complaint lodged against Tapan. So here एक और complaint हो गई तपन के against and this time it was by Rajni Saharia. Rajni Saharia was the class teacher of class 7. The headmaster flew in rage. Rage means anger. Headmaster को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ गया. Not only were the students hurt, but even the school building had suffered damage. Students भी hurt हुए. Many students were injured. And what happened? The glass pane of the class 7 was also broken. The headmaster called Tapan again. Headmaster ने किसको? Tapan को again he called. Tapan appeared. On seeing him, headmaster tempered bowled over. तपन जैसे ही उनके ऑफिस में पहुंचा एंड हेडमास्टर का गुस्सा और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. यू आर अ विकेड बॉय, वाई डिड यू लीड द ऑक्स इन टू द क्लासरूम, स्पीक अप, द हेडमास्टर डिमांडेड वेविंग हिज केन. तो हेडमास्टर अपने स्टिक को वेव करते हुए ही सेड यू आर वेरी बैड बॉय, वाई डिड यू लीड द एनिमल इन टू द स्कूल कंपाउंड. तपन रिप्लाइड हेड लोअर्ड. तपन ने अपना हेड को लोअर दैट मीन्स नीचे कर लिया एंड ही रिप्लाइड सर आई डिडंट लीड द ऑक्स इनटू द क्लासरूम, आई वाज ओनली राइडिंग ऑन इट्स बैक टू टेम इट एंड इट सडनली रैन इनटू द रूम. ही सेड कि सर मैं उसको क्लासरूम में नहीं लाया था, आई वाज जस्ट राइडिंग ऑन इट्स बैक और वो एकदम से सडनली इट रैन टू इनटू द क्लासरूम. तपन रिसीव्ड 15 स्ट्रोक्स ऑफ हेडमास्टर्स केन. अब हेडमास्टर की केन से उसको 15 छड़ियाँ उसके हाथ पर पड़ी. हिज क्लासमेट अगेन स्निगर्ड एंड रिडिक्यूल्ड हिम. ही वॉज ब्रांडेड एज द बैड बॉय ऑफ द स्कूल. उसके क्लासमेट अगेन उस पर हंसने लगे एंड उसको किस चीज़ का टैग मिल गया, ही गॉट अ टैग ऑफ बैड बॉय. Soon after a notice was circulated in the school, Tapan was fined 25 rupees for the damage. He was also told that he would be expelled from the school if he committed any such offense in future. So उसको Tapan को he was charged 25 rupees for the damage that occurred in the school, and he was given an ultimatum by headmaster that if next time he commits any such offense means mistake in future, he will be expelled from the school. A few boys who came out of their class made faces at Tapan. The same evening the headmaster returned home, had his tea and went for a walk. Dusk was falling and he saw school's bad boy Tapan holding an old beggar woman's hand, carrying her begging basket on his head. Walking alongside, jeering at him, were two boys of his class, Naren, the one who came first, and Mahesh. Now, what happened? One evening when headmaster went to his home, and after having his tea, he just came for a evening walk. He saw that Tapan is holding a poor beggar woman's hand and he has carried his baggage on his head. As you can see in the picture, he is carrying the hand of a beggar woman और उसका सामान उसने अपने सिर पे रखा हुआ है. And उसके साथ साथ two boys that was there of his class, Naren and Mahesh, वो उसके साथ साथ चल रहे थे and they were making fun of Tapan. The old woman had fever. She could hardly walk, leave alone carry her basket. On seeing the plight of old woman, Tapan had lifted her basket and taking the old woman's hands and said, "Granny, hold on to me. I will walk you home." Old woman को बहुत ज़्यादा फीवर था, उससे चला भी नहीं जा रहा था और उससे अपना सामान भी नहीं उठाया जा रहा था. तो उस प्लाइट मीन्स द सिचुएशन ऑफ ओल्ड वुमेन की प्लाइट देखकर, उसकी सिचुएशन देखकर तपन ने उसकी हेल्प की. ही जस्ट हेल्ड हिज हैंड एंड ही सेड दैट ग्रैंडमा होल्ड माई हैंड, आई विल वॉक यू टू द स्कूल. व्हेन नरेन and Mahesh saw the headmaster, they saluted him and looked at Tapan with derisive smiles, pleased that headmaster was witnessing one of the Tapan's misdeed. When the headmaster questioned the old woman, she told him how Tapan had forward to help her voice trembling. She pointed to Tapan and said, "Had this dear boy not been there, I would have still been lying on the road." और नरेन और महेश ने हेडमास्टर को देख लिया एंड उन्होंने हेडमास्टर को सैल्यूट किया. एंड दे स्टार्टेड लाफिंग एट तपन अगेन, कि अब उन्होंने सोचा कि हेडमास्टर ने तपन को कुछ अगेन बुरा करते हुए देख लिया. बट जब हेडमास्टर ने उस ओल्ड वुमेन से पूछा तो ओल्ड वुमेन ने बताया कि उससे तो चला भी नहीं जा रहा था, अगर तपन वहाँ नहीं आता तो वो अभी भी रोड पर पड़ी रहती. May God shower him with the blessing. The other two boys also saw how ill I was, but far from lending a hand, they only made fun of this dear boy. How heartless they are. तो ओल्ड वुमेन कहती है कि ये जो इस बाकी के दोनों लड़कों ने भी मुझे देखा कि आई वॉज इल एंड आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू वॉक. अपार्ट फ्रॉम गिविंग एनी हैंड फॉर हेल्प, दे मोक्ड, they started laughing at this good boy who helped me. They are very heartless. The old woman began to panting for her breath. The headmaster scolded Naren and Mahesh and sent them away. He asked Tapan to take the old woman her home. अभी हेडमास्टर ने क्या किया, नरेन और महेश को स्कोल्ड किया एंड तपन को बोला उस बैगर को, जो ओल्ड बैगर थी, उसको घर छोड़ के आने के लिए. 2 weeks later, the headmaster was returning home from his walk. On the road, he saw the same ox that Tapan had tried to tame lying with a broken leg. Kneeling beside it, Tapan, rubbing the medicine on its injured leg and bandaging it, there were tears in Tapan's eye. He was startled when the headmaster came and stood near him. He greeted the headmaster with the folded hands. 2 weeks बाद क्या हुआ, when headmaster was returning from his walk, he was going to his home. On the road, he saw that Tapan was sitting with that ox, and the ox leg was broken, and Tapan was giving medicine to the ox and he was bandaging it, and Tapan was crying too. He was startled means he was amazed that when headmaster stood near him, when headmaster came near him, the Tapan got astonishment. He greeted headmaster with the folded hand. That means he greeted his headmaster. The headmaster asked, "What are you doing here, Tapan?" "Sir, some wicked boys have broken the ox leg. It is in great pain, sir." "Is it not wrong to hurt animals?" Tapan asked sadly. तो उसके हेडमास्टर उससे पूछते कि तपन what are you doing here? तो तपन कहता है, तपन replied that, "Sir, some of the boys has broken the ox leg and there is a great pain in his leg." "Didn't you ride this same ox on the other day, saying that it was wicked and needed to be tamed? How has it become so good today?" सो उसके हेडमास्टर कहते हैं, तपन क्या ये वही ऑक्स नहीं है जिसके ऊपर तुम राइड कर रहे थे? तब तो तुम बोल रहे थे कि इट इज़ अ वेरी बैड एनिमल एंड इट इज़ हर्टिंग द पीपल. नाउ हाउ इट हैज़ बिकम सो गुड टुडे? "Well, sir, it was wicked, but since the day I rode it, it has become tame and it has not only stopped attacking people but even makes way for them." He said कि सर ये पहले wicked means he was very evil earlier, but जब से मैंने इसके ऊपर राइड किया है it became tame. ये अब अच्छा बन चुका है. It do not stop any people. It do not attack any people. The boy should not have hurt it. It is agony. I chewed some medicinal leaves and dressed the injured leg with the pulp. I have heard father said that it is very good for injuries. Sir, Tapan said, his heart full of sympathy for ox and his eyes brimming with tears. What happened here? Tapan कहता है कि सर मैंने इसको मेडिसिनल लीव्स दे दिए हैं और इसकी जो लेग है, जो ब्रोकन लेग है, उसको बैंडेज कर दिया है. My father says that it is good for some medicinal reason. The headmaster stood engrossed in the thought. Then he looked at Tapan's face, affectionately patted him. And headmaster कुछ देर के लिए वहीं खड़े हो गए and he start thinking. And after some time he looked at Tapan's face and he patted his back with affection. Affection means some love. It was prize giving day at Jananpet High School. The principal of a college in Guwahati had been invited to preside over the function. This time the headmaster, Rabin Barua, had decided to award a special prize to the student with the best character. Now it was their annual day, or you can say a prize day in their school, and some principal of a college from Guwahati had been invited as the guest in their school. This time headmaster has kept a special prize for the best character in the school. Students were discussing the special prize in class 5. Naren laughed and said loudly to Bhabesh, "Do you know, Bhabesh, that special prize for the best character is being awarded to Tapan?" The boys roared with laughter. Tapan's face grew red with shame. He wished the ground would swallow him up. Now, अभी क्या होता है कि इस क्लास 5 के बच्चे आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे होते हैं कि ये प्राइज़ किसको मिलेगा. तो जो नरेन होता है वो तपन का मजाक उड़ाने के लिए सबसे बोलता है ये प्राइज़ तो तपन को मिलेगा क्योंकि वो बहुत शरारती है, बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी नॉटी, सो ही विल गेट दिस प्राइज़. एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड a great laughter and Tapan was very ashamed at that time. He felt like as if ground should swallow him up. वो कहीं भाग जाए और या फिर ground उसको निगल ही जाए. He did not want to be present at that situation. The function started. After welcome, the principal delivered his speech and a few other also spoke. Next came the distribution of prizes. The prize winner glowed with their pleasure and pride. Then came the time for the announcement of a special prize. Addressing the assembly, the headmaster announced, "Honorable principal and respected ladies and gentlemen, the special prize of the student with best character goes to Sriman Tapan Hazarika of class 5. Now the function had started. Function start हो गया and the principal has given speech and few other speeches. Thus prize distribution had started. And at the end, when there was a time for special prize with the best character, the headmaster announced that the prize went to Tapan Hazarika of class 5. The teachers and students were dumbfounded. Tapan could not believe his ears. The headmaster repeated, Tapan Kumar Hazarika, class 5. टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स स्पीचलेस हो गए. दे वर स्पीचलेस. तपन को अपने कानों पर बिलीव ही नहीं हुआ. एंड हेडमास्टर रिपीटेड, यस तपन, इट इज़ यू, तपन कुमार हजारिका, क्लास 5. हिज हेड रील्ड. Could it be true that who was known to be bad boy of the school was being called to receive the prize for the best character? कि किसको बिलीव होता कि जो बच्चा क्लास का सबसे बैड बॉय था उसको बेस्ट कैरेक्टर का अवार्ड दिया गया था. Tapan stood up, went to the principal, greeted him with a namaskar and accepted the prize. Tapan वहाँ गया and he went up to the principal. He greeted him with a namaskar and he accepted the prize. The headmaster then described how Tapan had helped the old beggar women and nursed the injured ox. He also gave Tapan 5 rupees from his own pocket. The hall was filled with the sound of people applause. Tapan's eyes glistened with the tears of joy. हेडमास्टर ने तब सबको बताया कि तपन ने कैसे ओल्ड बेगर विमेन की हेल्प की एंड ही नर्स्ड एन इंजर्ड ऑक्स. देन द हेडमास्टर टुक आउट अ 5 rupees note from his own pocket and gave that note to the Tapan. And everybody was clapping. The hall was filled with the sound of people applause. People applause means people's clapping their hand. Tapan's eyes glistened with tears of joy. Tapan was crying out of the joy that once the boy who was being called as the bad boy of the school got the best character award in the school. So this was your story. So student, what lesson do we get from this story? Yes, we should never stop our good deeds. We should always help whenever it is necessary. Okay.